Hey, SpiderWayne here, and thanks to Syma for sending me the X5UW drone. They want me to review it. I'm going to get into it right now. Okay. All right, so here's the quick unboxing. You get a user manual. I already flew this one, so you're going to notice things are out of the packaging. This clamp we'll come back to. Here's some propellers they give you, even though there's 4 already on it. If you see, I kind of took it out flying and I knocked off these little chrome caps that are on these propellers. I crashed a few times and they came off and I don't know where they are. So, okay. Here's your transmitter. We'll go over little bits of the transmitter in a bit. Here's the batteries. They give you 2 of them. One will be in the drone when you get it, if you order one of these. And here are the propeller guards, and I think this is for the SD card so that you can put it in your computer. They give you a screwdriver. That screwdriver you're going to need because when you first open this up and you go to put batteries in it, which they don't give you, 4 AA's, there's a screw in here, so you'll need to take that out. So, okay, let's see, what else? This is the camera that does not come with it on the drone. So it's actually off the drone, but as you can see, there's just a little push connector here. So this just pops into here. Remember, this is the front of the camera where the power button is, because this camera, you could point it in either direction. You want to point it forward. So just twist on. Make sure that SD card, well, the SD card they give you is a 4 GB, and I did a short video yesterday and it filled up right away. So you're going to want to put a bigger SD card in here. Okay, so back to the transmitter. For this, you'll want to take this little cover off and put this clamp on. So this clamp is for your phone that you can use sort of like a monitor, you know, so you put it in there and you can do all kinds of things. You can tap and draw a flight plan, different things, get different controls. I'll probably go over that later. So I just wanted to show you how this mounts on here. And you got your regular stuff here to take off, to land, one button push right here. This button back here, you push that down and toggle this whichever way you want to go to do a barrel roll, make it flip. And I think everything else is pretty self-explanatory. This button here is to take photos, and this button up on top is for turning the video on and off. So, all right, so that's everything that's in the box. In a nutshell, I'm going to go fly it and film that and see how it goes. Okay, it's in headless mode. Let's see if that works. Yeah, headless mode works. I'm flying it with the remote, with the cell phone. Okay, that's kind of neat. It's like driving a car now, you know. Take it out a little bit, bring it back. Rate 2. Flies better in rate 2. Definitely flies better in rate 2. There's a flip. Flip to the right. Flip to the left. Holds itself up there pretty good. Some funnel rolls there. Pretty neat. It's a good flyer. This is at least a good beginner's flyer. Yeah. Another good thing about this is it's very light. It's like under half a pound. Not too loud. I like it. I'm going to take the camera off, and for the hell of it, I'm going to put a little bit on each side here. And we'll just see if it does anything. Probably won't. So today I flew the Syma X5UW. It's a pretty cool drone. It has FPV, altitude hold, headless mode, flight plan, 1 key takeoff and landing, a gravity sensor, and a 720p camera. You can take photos with it, videos with it, but since the gimbal isn't stabilized, it's not going to be the best, but at least it's there. Let's see, what else does it have? You can use the Syma app to control it also, so you can just use your phone if you want. And with that app, it has gravity control. And with my cell, it worked really good. I was able to do like this and move the camera left, right, forward, backwards, up and down. That part worked really well. The camera's really light. It's not even half a pound, I think. Oh, and I wanted to mention, one of the controls that I had problems with was the flight plan. I wasn't able to get the flight plan to work, but it might have just been me, not sure. So if you get one, check that out. Overall, it's a good beginner's drone and a lot of fun. I think someone starting out will enjoy it a lot. Keep in mind, Syma has a lot more drones. They have a GPS drone, smart drones, folding drones, they even have helicopters. And before I go, I have a request for Syma. I really want to demo your X25P Pro or X25 Pro. If you want, send me one and I'll jump right on it. I'll review it as fast as I can. That's it for now. Have a great day. I'll see you all in my next video.